In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from savings to checking on the Bank of America. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to initiate a transfer between your savings and your checking account. This will work for the Bank of America app, but you can also follow along through the online banking section if you prefer. If you want to do this through the app, then what you have to do is open it up and then use the transfer/Zelle option that you see at the bottom. So tap on transfer/Zelle. Once you tap on transfer/Zelle, the very first option on this page is going to be transfer between my accounts. This is how you can initiate a transfer using your savings account. So choose transfer between my accounts, and now you can set up this transfer. So at the top, you will have to choose the source of this transaction, in this specific case, the savings account, and then the destination, so which account you will be transferring to. So you can tap on choose account besides each of these and select them accordingly. So choose the savings account, and then on the destination, choose the checking account. Of course, in this example, it is inverted, but the logic is the same. So once you have selected the accounts, the next thing to do is to choose the amount and the date. Once you tap on amount, you will be able to set it up in USD. Be aware of any information listed here at the bottom. If you want to carefully take your time to read through all of this and then schedule this transfer, you can make sure that it goes on the same day or schedule it for a future date. Once you tap continue, you will see all the information. So the account that you chose to transfer the money from, then to, aka the destination, then the amount, and the date in which this transfer was made. You will also get a confirmation number, and usually all that you have to do now is wait. You can edit or cancel this transaction as long as you don't take too long, and you can repeat this as many times as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from savings to checking Bank of America. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.